Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1971 MGB Roadster. Fantastic little car here, just the recipient of a total restoration mechanically and cosmetically. Finished in teal blue, black interior, wire wheels, 4-speed, chrome luggage rack. So really lovely options on this full restoration of an MGB Roadster. If you're looking for an MGB right now, you should seriously have a look at this one because it's just a knockout, and tons and tons of documented money and work has been put into this one. So we purchased this car locally in California. The story is that a lady wanted it to tour the national parks, and she had a restoration shop do like a complete mechanical cosmetic restoration on it. So it's a great car to do some touring in right now when the weather's nice, and this thing's a stunner. So really great paint, like top quality base coat, clear coat, color sanded, buffed, just beautiful coach works. Excellent new chrome fitted. You can see here by the finish of all the bright work. It's just superb little thing. H4 halogen headlamps fitted. New tires fitted on its original 14-inch 60-spoke wire wheels. As we move along to the body here, you can see brand new tinted windshield with new rubber and seals. Take a little slow walk around here. All new body moldings, new rear bumper, chrome luggage rack. All the lenses are beautiful, all refreshed. All the body rubber has been changed out. Excellent top, not brand new, perfect, but a really good solid, 8 out of 10. I did notice one little incision about an inch long, nothing really to write home about, but excellent shut lines on this car. Just a nice, well cared for MGB that's just had this stunning restoration fitted, just completed on it. All new interior was done as part of the restoration. You can see these new OEM seat covers, new carpet set, door seals, panel kit, arm bars, even the light works there. There's a sound system fitted, original style steering wheel, all new visors. Back here you can see all new carpets, restored soft top frame. So lots and lots of effort, lots and lots of work put into this car. And let me show you the engine compartment, because nothing was left untouched there either. So there you have it, just lovely, lovely, stunning, fresh rebuilt engine, brakes, all the ancillaries, lovely untouched wiring, beautifully correct engine that's detailed throughout, fully serviced, tuned, ready to go. This thing starts up and runs like a clock. We're going to be doing a driving video of the car soon, and just driving it around the yard here. It's just a sweetheart. Idles beautifully. Oops. Runs great. Yeah, the underside of this car was like aggressively steam cleaned with a high pressure steam cleaner, and then it had a light application of undercoating or blackening. So the undercarriage is gorgeous, really whistle clean, exhaust system fitted, but stunning high quality coach works on this MGB. Most people, when they paint an MGB, they just apply a modest paint job. But this has probably got an $8,000 or $9,000 paint job alone. So really great, super good quality paint job in its original teal blue, all new chrome, bright work, rubber, upholstery, rebuilt engine. Excellent, excellent restoration here on our 1971 MGB Roadster, finished in its original color of teal blue, handsome new black interior, 4-speed, 14-inch painted wire wheels as original, chrome luggage rack, but excellent documented full cosmetic and mechanical restoration just completed. This one's ready to go. It's a beauty. And you can find it right here on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.